Jaiga no more. Aga si Ching at Jai Asuncion, kinumpirmang hiwalay na sila. Hiwalay na ang mga social media personality na sina Jai Asuncion at aga si Ching na mas kilala bilang Jaiga. Ibinahagi ni Jai sa kanyang Facebook account nitong Sabado, Pebrero 17 ang ilang detalye tungkol sa kanilang hiwalayan. Say niya, sinubukan pa raw nila ni Aga na ayusin ang kanilang almost 5-year relationship pero hindi na raw ito naging maayos pa. Hi, I know a lot of you are asking about Aga and I. We tried to work things out pero hanggang dito na lang po talaga. It was a wonderful almost 5-year relationship with Aga. I learned a lot from him and we both made each other happy for the past years, saad niya. Nilinaw naman niya genuine ang pagmamahal niya sa kanyang ex-boyfriend. Gayunman, hindi rin daw niya inaasahan ang hiwalayan dahil masaya raw sila. I just want to make it clear that for me, our relationship was never about clout. My love for Aga was genuine and not influenced by our careers. This wasn't an easy choice, but we believe that it's the right one. I wasn't expecting this to happen either because we were the happiest. Doing things together, achieving our dreams together. I really tried my best for a relationship to work. This won't be easy for me as well because I know in myself how much I love him, but I guess God has a better plan for us. For me, saad pa ni Jai. Nagpasalamat din siya sa fans nila ni Aga dahil sa suporta ng mga ito. To our Jaiga fan, thank you for your support since the beginning. Sobra akong nagpapasalamat na hindi nyo kami iniwan kahit nagkaroon na ng problema. Your love for us are one of the reasons kung bakit kami nagpapatuloy sa mga ginagawa namin. Iba yung nagawa ng pagmamahal nyo sa aming dalawa and without you guys, wala kami sa kung nasaan kami ngayon and I'm very grateful for that. Thank you for changing our lives. We will keep on doing things on our own. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for your support and for being a part of our journey. Pagtatapos ni Jai. Samantala sa hiwalay na post ay nagsalita na rin ng kanyang ex-partner na si Aga si Ching. Anya sa kanyang post, I know this is sudden at hindi rin ito madaling sabihin. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na me and Jai aren't together anymore. Pero gusto ko lang malaman nyo na everything we had was real, not because of clout, fame, or anything. Yung pinagsamahan at pagmamahalan namin ni Jai ay totoo and that will always have a special place in my heart, saad ni Aga. Humingi rin siya ng pasensya sa kanilang mga taga-suporta. Gusto ko lang rin humingi ng pasensya sa lahat ng Jaiga fam who supported us since the beginning hanggang sa lumaki na ang pamilya natin. Isa kayo sa naging source of strength and inspiration namin lalo na in times na nawawalan na ako ng pag-asa. Maraming salamat, dagdag pa niya. Sa kabila ng breakup ay nagpasalamat pa rin si Agassi sa kanyang ex-girlfriend at humingi rin siya ng sorry sa mga pagkukulang niya. For Jai, salamat sa lahat. Alam ko na pag-usapan na natin to. Pero thank you for the best 4 years of my life. My time with you has been the best and you taught me a lot of things. Made me a better man and made me believe that anything is possible. Sorry sa lahat ng pagkukulang ko sa'yo. Sorry sa mga pangakong hindi ko natupad. You are truly one of a kind and you deserve nothing but the best. And kahit anong mangyari, I'm always here to support you sa lahat ng future plans mo. Thank you, Jajay, for everything. Hanggang dito na lang. Pagtatapos ng social media personality.